Nayo and Mao, we've been friends for a long time now. I've been trying to make you see that I like you. Don't you say it?
Yeah, I see it, uncle.
So, don't you think it's high time we upgrade our relationship? Aso no nyara o wakapusa.
No, I don't want you to nagabuse on DJ. But I've been there, done that.
What do you mean?
I'm going to say, I no longer want to play with people's things and feelings.
Oh, okay. I've been making moves and you don't do anything. As you're gay.
What?
If you are not ready for a relationship, we could be friends with benefits.
Machi, it was the new good dad and Chungo Nako Vuna. Yes, that's written, but now things have changed. Why is it? Plus, me was kind of turning to Akira. Since those ones, Riti, you try to control. No, I'm not going to raise it.
Because I can't pay.
The whole point there, what you know, seems kind of with it.
Sakayo, I was going to do that.
So that's the reason saying that I was kind of, you see. Because I was kind of my strange fantasies, my crazy outings, and I'm
But you don't have a girlfriend, so let's try again.
How do you understand? I can't do the to very persistent, you're going to set your mind onto something. But now I'm going to I'm out. So promise me that you don't catch any feelings.
I don't know. I can't promise.
You see, so I don't know what to do in that.
To put time back again, so Andy. Tino.
Chi.
Tino. Hey, Tino.
Namestra phone ya kuingia chiramba.
So phone yangu get na number na ichesa kwa best.
Oh, okay.
Madego baba.
Bo.
Segunda kupeleka shana. Let me step back.
Thanks.
So baby, naenda kugira chocolate.
Thanks. Better buys.
So I was ready to go near Tara last time. We went up at Pango. This is up and one.
I'm sorry. That's a phone machine to come back with our So no one am So bye bye.
Okay, so no one ring.
No good zapa phone. No phone here. Thanks for the chocolate though.
Kobiasha and Debbie Wadi. Tango Mira shop packet Pagusha. 15 minutes is now go Mira Pana. Buddha please.
Tuende kakudza wani kuti sangopote chiya kuno kupese pese.
Muze wangu ndagasa madays na kuona nyatso fillable.
Nonete wewe.
Kuninga kushita secondary paper kanako ngewewe so.
Watanga manje. Inini I feel like you are suffocating me wakusinyanya. Sometimes I need some space to breathe. You are too clingy.
Wow. So like my actions are too much for you.
Sekutinda kutofunga kuti if you take a break ka.
No, let's not go that far. I'll try to reduce my actions.
It's okay, she and that certain that change my mind.
Ko hagiza.
Doctor next time auntie. Hey, waita sei? Wati kusvika kuno kuna 2 but lukudza kutosvika kuma 5. Okay, kasika ndikakumirira pagedhi. Hausi wakuzvinyanya here sha 3 hours ndageza ndakangokumirira.
Haya zve haundimhanyise ka ndoita zvandoda panguva yandoda zvama.
Nobva wandidaro.
Anyways, waready?
Yeah, but ndofanira kukasira kudzoka kumba.
Kana zvinetsa ngatingosiyanei nazvo hanti.
Ndambodaro here. Let's go kwacho.